In this video, I'm going to share with you my secret tip for the easiest way to effectively clean any moldy bathtub or shower, no matter how gross and impossible it might seem to clean it. Now, I'm going to clean this caulking around the bathtub. It's not the worst that I've seen, but it's still pretty gross. But this tip can be applied to moldy grout, moldy shower, and any surface that is grimy and dirty, which in the majority of cases is going to be due to bacteria and mold buildup. So here's the tip. The most effective way to kill bacteria and mold on contact is by using bleach. This is what folks use to disinfect glass labware that's used in growing all sorts of nasty microorganisms in laboratories. So if it's good enough for microbiology labs, then it's certainly good enough for household surfaces. I'm taking bleach straight from the bottle and brushing it on, and right away you can see grime disappear. After about 15 minutes, all the grime should disappear like magic. Just for your future reference, make sure that bleach doesn't come in contact with a steel surface for more than 30 minutes because bleach will start to corrode steel. But I've had no problem with bleach being on tile, grout, or these types of bathtub surfaces for hours when I didn't bother to rinse it off. But for the most part, I make sure to rinse and wipe the bleach off, and you should too. So here it is. This area has not been rinsed, wiped, or scrubbed at all. The only thing I did was to brush on some bleach and wait about 15 minutes. Now you're thinking, wait a minute, it didn't get all of the caulking white. Well, the reason for that is the caulk is actually stained on the inside from mold that has grown underneath the caulk surface. When this happens, I can assure you that no chemical, no cleaning tool, no brush, and no amount of scrubbing will get the surface white. And you will not be able to find any video of anyone who can show you how to clean something like this. The only solution is that you have to remove the old caulk and re-caulk it. But that's not hard at all to do, and I show you how to do that in great detail in another video. But voila, here is a preview of the new white caulk from the other video.